15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. We have a liftoff. Liftoff on Apollo. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
40 feet down, 2.5. Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now. I'm at the foot of the ladder, the 11 foot. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Tony, this is so great you can't believe it. I believe it, Charlie. It's raining, Johnny. Okay, let's go, would you, Charlie?